Hello children, let's start our English class today. We have read this poem, you have recited it nicely. Now today we will start with new words. Here few words are given to you. Shell, held, surprised, curly and clear. Here one more new word I want to add, and that is hard. So shell, what is the meaning of shell? Shell is actually an outer covering which is very hard around an animal, like here these conch shells. These are outer coverings of some animals which are normally found in sea. So this shell is called an outer covering. So shell means outer covering. So this covering is found in animals as well as in plants. You might have seen coconut. So soft coconut is inside a hard shell, a hard covering which protects it. So shell is the outer covering meant to protect. Children, you will understand it and then learn the spellings of shell, held, surprised, curly and clear, also of the hard. Next is held. Now what is the meaning of held? Held means to keep something. Held. Present participle is hold, to keep something, and held means kept. So held, meaning of held is kept, to keep. किसी चीज को रखना. Now next is surprised. Now when you're surprised, when you don't expect something and it happens, then you're surprised. So your feeling of unexpected. अनएक्सपेक्टेड मीन्स जो आपने सोचा ना हो, जिसकी आपको उम्मीद ना हो, जब वो हो जाता है उसे हम कहते हैं अनएक्सपेक्टेड. जो हम सोचते नहीं है और वो हो जाता है तो उसको हम बोलते हैं अनएक्सपेक्टेड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सपोज आप पढ़ने में अच्छे हैं बट यू नेवर थॉट दैट यू कुड स्कोर 100 out of 100, but you scored 100 out of 100. So you'll say it was unexpected. I was just expecting around 95, 96, but I scored 100%. So it was unexpected. मतलब जिसकी आप उम्मीद नहीं करते हो. So feeling of unexpected emotions is called surprised, or unexpected thing is called surprised. Curly. So curly, here curly is rounded with full of curls. Now what are curls? These are called curls. You can see there are many turns. So these turns are called curls. You might have seen curly hair. Curly hair ऐसे होते हैं. So these are curly hairs. Now your roads, when you go on mountains, you will see that these roads are like this. So these are curly roads. So here the shell is curly. Why shell is curly? Because it is like this. It is so curly. So that's why this is curly. Clear. What is clear? Clear is the one which is here. Meaning of clear will be which is very easy to hear. Easy to hear. Because यहाँ पर बच्चा क्या है, वो अपना song सुन रहा है. So clear, here it will be the easy to hear. Otherwise clear का मतलब क्या होता है? Which is clean, with no impurity, nothing. एक बिल्कुल साफ जो होता है, that is called clear. But here it is easy to hear. That means without any doubt. Or you can say it is without any डाउट मतलब उसमें आपको शक की कोई गुंजाइश नहीं है, सच में ही ऐसा हो रहा है. So without any doubt, the song was coming out of the shell and it was very clear. Next word I told you was hard. So hard. What is the meaning of hard? I told you here. Meaning of hard here is to listen carefully. So hard here it is carefully. He listened hard. So it is carefully. So here the meaning of hard is carefully. So children, I think I had made myself very clear about these new words. Shell, it is an outer covering. Held, kept, surprised, unexpected thing. Curly, rounded, clear, undoubtedly, hard, carefully. So these are few word meanings for you, rather not word meanings, but these are new words and you must know very well how to use these words. So children, these are the new words for you. So understand it and learn these spellings and practice it. So let's move ahead. Now next is reading is fun. Here are a few questions given and we have to find out the answers. So first one is, where did the child find the seashell? So where did the child find the seashell? The child found the seashell. Where did he find? The child found the seashell on the sand, on the sea beach. So your answer will be the child found the seashell on the sand on the sea beach. Second is, what did the child do with the shell? So what did the child do with the shell? The child picked it up and took it to home. So child heard a soft, sweet and clear song coming out of the shell. Next is word building. Now in this word building, what you're supposed to do, pick the rhyming words from the box and pair them in the spaces below. The first one has been done for you. So these are the words: found, cold, look, took, look, hand, sound, sand, bold, mummy, tummy. So these are the words which you have to match. Now in what way you have to match these? These are rhyming words. So rhyming word of found is sound. Remember I told you what are rhyming words? Rhyming words are those which sound alike. So second word will be cold. Now what is the rhyming word with cold? Let's see. It will be bold. So cold and bold. Next is took. So rhyming word of took will be look. Children, rest all you will do on your own. Yes children, so let's start. I'll fill in the blanks with the opposite words, choosing from the box below. The first one is done for you. Now opposite words are those words which have the totally different meaning from the previous one. Like here it's been given found. Now meaning of found is milna and opposite of this is lost. That means kho jana. So next word is hard. So what will be the opposite of hard? It will be soft. Hard means sakht. जो बहुत hard होता है, hard skin, hard shell, and this is soft. Inside, it is very clear, it is outside. The next is took. Took means ले लेना. So took. opposite of took will be lena. Lena का opposite क्या होगा? देना. So took, opposite of took is gave. Big. Now big, bada. What will be the opposite of big? Small. So opposite of big will be small. Gave. Came. Came. Past participle of come. So it is came. Come. Opposite of come is go. Opposite of came is went. Aya, gaya. The same way you'll be doing these words. I'll not do it for you. So these 6 words, you will find opposites of these words. And children, I had told you that I'll show you some pictures of shells. So today I'll show you those pictures. So let's see. Children, this is the picture of clam, a kind of shell which is found in sea. So these are clams. I told you these are white ones. In Hindi we call it CP. So these are called clams. And when these are black in color, what are these called? So when these are black in color, these are called mussels. These are called mussels. So these are black color shells, and these are called mussels. And you know, children, in many parts of the world, these clams and these mussels are eaten, used as food. So here are few more interesting things. I'll show you the picture of conch also, and then you will see how many beautiful decorative pieces and things can be made out of these shells. So children, this is a picture of conch shell. We call it conch, and it is normally used to produce sound, and it produces a wonderful sound. After puja and in temples also, this conch shell is used to produce a very beautiful sound. And children, here are some beautiful articles. As you can see, this flower is made up of clams, different seashells. You can see that these are shells, and these are also shells, but how beautiful these flowers are looking. So there are so many decorative items which can be made with seashells. Children, here you can see more beautiful articles. This is a neck piece, which you can see here. This is the pendant of that neck piece, and in the middle a pearl is set in this pendant. And you know, children, this pearl is also produced inside the clam. It's a long process, but real pearls are produced inside the clams. And here there are many idols of Lord Ganesha. These are also made out of seashells. And now this is a beautiful roof hanging, a chandelier type, which is again made up of seashells. These are clams. So there are many beautiful articles which we can make out of these seashells, and you know, it's a big industry also. Children, this is for today. You read, write, and see these pictures and enjoy.